20 classic cars, all under $5,000. Some run, some don't, but a few of these could be absolute steals if you know what you're looking at. Car 1. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair. $3,500, Middle River, Maryland. This 1963 Chevrolet Corvair is a running and driving classic equipped with a 4-speed transmission. It has recently received several mechanical updates, including new brake lines, brakes, carburetor, and shocks, making it more usable right away. While it is not a fully restored car, it offers a solid starting point for a drivable project. Expect typical wear and aging components, but overall, it's a balanced mix between usability and restoration potential. Car 2. 1966 Ford Galaxie 500. $3,500, Dowagiac, Michigan. This 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 comes with a 390 V8 and automatic transmission. The car does run with fresh fuel and a battery, but it is clearly positioned as a project vehicle. Rust is present in the rear quarters and roof areas, especially around the drip rails. It remains a complete car, making it a solid candidate for restoration with a strong engine platform. Car 3. 1978 Mercury Monarch. $1,000, Mount Vernon, Ohio. This 1978 Mercury Monarch is powered by a 250 inline-6 and has had several recent replacements, including brakes, alternator, battery, and rear tires. However, it comes with multiple issues, such as rust on most body panels, a cracked windshield, carburetor needs, and a damaged front tire. It runs, but should be considered a rough project or budget daily. Car 4. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 Hardtop. $5,000, Smithsburg, Maryland. This one family-owned 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 features a 352 V8 and shows low mileage. The car has been well maintained and appears to retain much of its originality. It runs and drives well with no visible rust reported. Compared to most cars here, this is a cleaner and more complete option that can be enjoyed with minimal work. Car 5. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. $2,100, Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania. This 1966 Mustang Coupe runs and drives, but requires significant restoration work. Key structural areas like the frame rails and floors will need repair. It includes many extra parts, such as grille components and interior pieces. Overall, it's a full project with solid potential for someone ready to restore it properly.
Car 6. 1969 Chevrolet Impala. $4,000, Telford, Tennessee. This 1969 Chevrolet Impala is a non-running project equipped with a 350 engine and automatic transmission. The engine is not locked, which is a positive sign. The car has good floors and structure, though it features a mismatched front clip. It will need mechanical work, but provides a solid base for restoration. Car 7. 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. $4,900, Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1971 Corvette comes with a 350 V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. It has been sitting for several years, but reportedly ran before storage. It includes T-tops and a clean title, though it is not numbers matching. A strong project candidate with good potential once brought back to life. Car 8. 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle. $4,000, Flora, Illinois. This 1973 Super Beetle has been sitting for several years and does not currently run. The brakes are locked and rust is present underneath. It will require towing and a full mechanical inspection. Like most vintage Volkswagens, it offers a simple platform but will need a proper restoration. Car 9, 1978 Ford Mustang II, $1,500, Scottsboro, Alabama. This Mustang II has not been driven since 2004 and will require a full restoration. It still has its engine and transmission installed. There is rust in the floors, missing trim and flat tires. Some interior parts are still in good condition, making it suitable as a project or parts car. Car 10, 1953 Lincoln Capri, $5,000, Hanover, Michigan. This 1953 Lincoln Capri is a barn find that has been sitting for around 15 years. It reportedly ran when parked and may run again with basic work. It offers strong vintage styling but will need recommissioning, a solid candidate for restoration or preservation depending on its overall condition.
Car 11, 1979 Alfa Romeo TR7, $2,800, Loveland, Ohio. This 1979 Alfa Romeo TR7 is a complete running and driving car, which already puts it ahead of many other listings in this price range. It can be driven as is, making it a practical entry point for someone who wants a usable classic rather than a full teardown project. As with most older European cars, expect some ongoing maintenance and small issues over time. However, the fact that it runs and drives gives it a strong advantage, allowing the next owner to enjoy the car while slowly improving and maintaining it. Car 12, 1969 Ford F100 Ranger, $3,200, Lincolnton, Georgia. This Ford F100 Ranger is equipped with a 360 V8 and automatic transmission. It currently runs using an external fuel source, which indicates the fuel system will need to be serviced, including cleaning or replacing the tank and checking the fuel lines. The truck has solid floor pans, but there is visible rust in the bed area near the cab. The brakes have not yet been addressed, so that will be another area to focus on. Overall, it presents itself as a solid foundation for a classic truck build with manageable restoration work. Car 13, 1972 Plymouth Valiant, $1,750, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This 1972 Plymouth Valiant is a mostly original car powered by a slant 6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been sitting for more than 5 years and currently does not run, meaning it will require a full mechanical refresh. The car includes original keys and a clean title, which simplifies the restoration process from a paperwork standpoint. It's a straightforward and simple platform, making it a good choice for someone looking for an affordable and manageable project. Car 14, 1964 Buick Wildcat, $4,000, Gillette, Pennsylvania. This This 1964 Buick Wildcat appears to be a complete car, although detailed information about its condition is limited in the listing. It likely retains most of its original components, but should still be approached as a project. Due to the lack of detailed mechanical information, it will require a full inspection before any serious plans are made. That said, its classic styling and presence make it a potentially rewarding restoration for the right buyer. Car 15, 1970 Cadillac DeVille, $3,500, Toledo, Ohio. This 1970 Cadillac DeVille is described as a running and driving vehicle with a clean title. The seller mentions that only minor bodywork is needed, which suggests it could be improved gradually rather than requiring a full restoration immediately. It offers the typical large luxury feel that Cadillacs are known for, and being operational gives it flexibility as both a project and a usable classic. A good option for someone who wants to enjoy the car while slowly refining it. Car 16, 1960 Saab 93. $1,495, Royersford, Pennsylvania. This Saab 93 has been owned for over 30 years and stored in a barn, making it a long-term project vehicle. The engine turns over and reportedly ran when it was parked, which is a positive starting point. There is rust in the floor areas that will need repair, and the car will require a full mechanical inspection before attempting to run it again. With its rarity and included title, it's best suited for enthusiasts looking for a unique European restoration project. Car 17, 1972 Triumph Spitfire, $3,000, Nashville, Indiana. This 1972 Triumph Spitfire stands out for its relatively solid body condition, with minimal rust thanks to early protective treatment. The engine turns over but does not currently run, meaning mechanical work will still be required. It includes extra parts such as a soft top and accessories, adding value to the project. However, the absence of a title may complicate registration, so it is better suited for experienced builders familiar with project cars. Car 18, 1974 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, $1,000, Hershey, Pennsylvania. This Volkswagen Karmann Ghia comes with a clean title and a solid chassis, which are both strong positives for a project car. The engine turns by hand, suggesting it is not seized and could potentially be revived. Rust is present on the rockers and rear quarters, which is typical for these vehicles. It will require bodywork and mechanical attention, but it remains a classic restoration candidate with strong visual appeal once completed. Car 19, 1964 Ford Falcon, $800, Jacksonburg, West Virginia. This 1964 Ford Falcon is a very affordable project equipped with a straight-six engine and automatic transmission. The engine is not seized and the interior is reported to be in good condition, which is a positive starting point. The car includes a title and has good glass, making it easier to restore compared to incomplete projects. It's a simple and practical entry-level classic for beginners or budget builders. Car 20, 1968 Chevrolet C20 tow truck, $800, Ash Grove, Missouri. This 1968 Chevrolet C20 tow truck is a unique and rough project powered by a 327 small block with a manual transmission. The engine is partially disassembled, but the seller notes it could potentially be running again with some effort. Patch panels are included for rust repair, which adds value to the project. While it is not a quick fix, it offers a solid base for someone interested in building a custom truck or restoring a vintage utility vehicle. So, which one would you actually take home and restore? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you're into budget classic cars like these, don't forget to like and subscribe. More hidden deals coming next.